A radian is just a different way to measure an angle, a central angle in a circle. So normally we measure a central angle in degrees. Radian's a different way to measure it, and 1 radian is when the arc length, so if you look at the diagram, the arc length is equal to the radius. Okay, so let me show you how to convert to radians in this number 3. So we have 15 degrees, so let's take the angle, and sometimes you have to find the central angle, sometimes the problem will give you area of a sector, arc length. You need to use that formula first to find the central angle. So this is what you do. Once you have the angle, you need to convert to degrees. You go to the reference sheet. Now, up above here, I've copied the portion of the reference sheet that you would need. Okay, we right now have degrees. So we go to degrees on the reference sheet. And because 1 degree equals pi over 180 radians, you're going to multiply the degree measure by pi over 180. On the top of the fraction, I would have 15 pi. On the bottom of the fraction, 1 times 180 is just 180. Now, you always want to reduce the fraction down. So in the calculator, if you type in 15 divided by 180 and then hit math fraction, it will give you 1 over 12. We still have the pi. 1 over 12, I really don't have to write the 1, so I'm just going to leave it as pi over 12. I'll show you guys another problem. So again, get your central angle, okay? Do whatever you have to do, use a formula, get that central angle. Again, go to degrees on the reference sheet. You're going to multiply by pi over 180. Okay, you're just going to make it into one fraction and then reduce the fraction down. So multiply across 35 pi, multiply across again, you get 180. And let me just type this in real quick. And then 35 divided by 180 math fraction is the quickest way to do it. So that angle in radians is 7 pi over 36.